Why the 777 was so popular. The Boeing 777 was a massive success, and I will tell you why right now. June 7th, 1995 was a momentous day in aviation history. The Boeing 777 made its first commercial flight. After all, the airlines have bought a lot of 777s, more than 2,000 of them in 3 decades since the program was started. Compare that number with total orders for Boeing's other legacy twin-aisle jets, the 747 and 767, which have been in production for much longer but sold respectively around 1,600 and 1,300 units. It's clear that airlines love the 777. All three U.S. majors have bought 777s after United, American, and Delta both chose Boeing's Big Twin. Even with Delta retiring its entire 777 fleet this year due to failing demand because of the coronavirus, the other two will keep flying them likely for decades. Emirates is the world's biggest operator of 777s, and Etihad and Qatar also have sizable fleets, and it has been hugely successful in Asia. Among the world's 10 biggest airlines by passengers carried, only short haulers like Southwest and Ryanair don't have 777s. A 777 still holds the record for the longest non-stop flight ever by a commercial airplane. Set in 2005 when the first 777-200LR for long-range flew eastbound from Hong Kong to London, covering 13,422 miles. When the stretched long-range 777-300ER appeared in 2002, it became an instant success. It could fly 350 passengers in first, business, and economy over 8,000 miles easily, just like a 747, but much more cheaply with two engines instead of four. It's also done so well that the operator of passenger 747s have bought the stretched 777 instead. On board, you can expect to find some of the best in-flight products available today. You won't have showers and a bar like on the Airbus A380s, but those amenities are suspended these days anyway due to coronavirus. Emirates puts its new dazzling first-class suite on board 777s. And only on a few of those at the moment. While Air France's La Première First Class, winner of the 2019 TPG Award for Best Long Haul First, is another 777 exclusive. 777s also boast of the only true long-haul first class on U.S. airlines. Aboard American Airlines 777-300ERs, and one notch down in business, you can find the best biz seats in the world. Qatar Airways Q Suite and ANA's The Room aboard 777s too. On top of all of that, the 777 is fuel efficient. The 777 has fixed all of the airline's problem with planes. Made with Dell G7 with i7 8th Gen processor. Created with work by Hamza Ali. Thanks for watching.